Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. Hope you're doing well today. I'm doing pretty good. Yes, I am. I'm doing pretty good. I want to share with you a package that I got in the mail today. Since I'm not going out couponing, I might as well show you the packages that I get in the mail. I just want you to see, you've seen my t-shirt before. Frederick Douglass School. My son used to be the principal of that elementary school, and he didn't know how handy these sweatshirts were going to come in, but they certainly come in handy. Keeps you warm. But anyway, guys, yeah, we still are dealing with the coronavirus, you know that, and I'm not going outside. I could go out in the backyard. I could go out in the front and sit, but today is such a rainy day here in New York. They were saying that that the electric may even end up going off, but thank God so far it hasn't, and we're already into the evening pretty far because it's like almost 6:30 p.m. Okay, but this is a box I got in the mail today, y'all. So, and I'm normally the one that sends out the mail, but I'm the one that's receiving the mail now, so I'm happy about that. Well, I'll talk to you while I'm trying to get it open. The thing is that, you know, people have really been running on panic mode or in panic mode in stores and things, and so you go to the store and you can just barely buy the essential products that you need. Well, I had some of the sanitary problems that we were going to be using during this pandemic, and like the Lysol and the Clorox and the Lysol wipes and the spray and the hand sanitizer and all of that. But all of what I have is mostly all gone. You know, because other family members have been coming to pick up stuff, and that's dwindled me down. Now, why would I get a package? Well, this is from my son that lives in California. His wife, we were talking on the phone, and she was asking me if I had certain things, and I was telling her, no, I didn't have this, that, or the other thing. Woohoo! And so she said, Mom, I'm going to send it to you. Okay, so look what she sent me. Oh, this is awesome. Look. A box. Can you read what it says? Face masks. I definitely didn't have those. I had about 5 of them. Look, it's a whole box of them. And there's 50 masks in here. Okay, that's awesome. So you might be asking, well, how was she able to get this? Because they run a business, and for that business that they run, they could order these. So we got 1, dos or 2 disposable masks, and that's 50. So that's 100 of these disposable masks that I have. And she also sent me some Gel Right instant hand sanitizer with vitamin E in it. It kills over 99% of germs and is gentle enough for frequent use. So she sent me a bottle of that. I'm so thankful for it. It's called Gel Right. Let me smell. It smells good. It got almost like a bleachy smell to it. Okay, so that's good. And I have another thing in here. What is this? Oh, these are gloves. And I didn't have these type of gloves. How many of these are in the box? And they said for single use only. I wonder. Let's see. Patient examination gloves, powder free, nitro. Okay. Oh, it's 100 gloves in here. So it doesn't say 100 pair. So maybe it's 50 pair. box of gloves. And this is essential stuff. This is stuff that I could not get. And is that it? That is it. I'm so happy to receive this. Because I definitely did not have this in my stockpile. I definitely do not have this. I don't have gloves in my stockpile, but I got them now. And I definitely did not have these masks in my stockpile, but I got them now. I love you, Vonnie. Thanks for thinking about your mother-in-law, girl. Mother-in-love, that's what she called me. Instead of mother-in-law, mother-in-love. That's because I'm lovable. Okay, got these. And I got this. And this is a hand sanitizer. Okay, let me open it now. Okay? And okay, squirt, look. It's kind of, it's jelly. Nice and fresh smell. Yeah, I still got the finger polish on. Still got it on. Yeah, I can't get it off. I got to go to the store and get some acetone polish. They say that's what takes it off. I'm telling my husband to get it the next time he goes to the store. And he goes to the store every day. Did I say every day? Yes, he does. But now we got the proper things that he can wear. Oh, this nail is breaking. It's breaking. I'm trying to let it grow out a little bit before I take it off. Yeah, this has been really rough on my nails because look what happened to these. Everything broke. And these were long nails. All of these. And all of them broke. Anyway, okay, guys, so that's been my surprise package in the mail. My package in the mail. I'm thankful for my daughter-in-law. Okay, so guys, you be safe. Please, please. There's nothing worth risking your life for. Just be safe. I got a call from a very dear friend, one of the friends that I made in CVS, and she called me today to tell me that she had the virus and that she had been in a hospital, but now she's recovering. And I'm so happy to hear that she is recovering. Thank God. Thank God. God is good. Okay. All right, guys. I will talk to you soon. I will see you in the next video. Love you much. Bye-bye.